Hey everyone, Richard Wilson here from the Family Office Club. We are a 3,000 investor club. We have about 15 live events per year. And I want to record the short video on what it means to work with somebody who is institutional quality. Really, it means someone who is high quality, experienced as an investment professional, and knows the ins and outs of what's expected when working with investors, whether they're institutional or private investors. So this isn't about the quality of the person. It's not judgment on them. It's just whether they have enough experience to really know what is an expected type of behavior in our industry. And most people do not, honestly, when they get started raising capital. So here are the signs of institutional quality that allow investors to quickly assess when engaging with a company, real estate firm, or private equity sponsor if they are institutional quality or not. One, the leaders are professional communicators, responsive via email, well-spoken, articulate, dressed professionally enough not to raise questions, and clear in their messaging. They listen, they don't talk over you, they aren't rushing you, and they are socially intelligent. Two, the leaders can take tough questions without a flinch. They don't feel stressed in their discussion of a deal or opportunity. They have multiple opportunities to move forward with, and they are not desperate. Three, the company's strategy is not only unique, but is described in a concise fashion right upon the first review of their materials or when first engaging with them. It's not confusing what they're focused on. Four, the follow-up from the group is politely persistent. They find ways to educate, add value first, find common ground, and develop a relationship. Five, an opportunity or an institutional quality group aims to over-deliver and subtly show that their assumptions are conservative and that they plan to blow past those with their actual performance on the opportunity. The amateur over-promises at every turn. Six, the group is smart enough to know if they need an NDA, not to request it too early before being able to share anything at all. And they're more focused on the right fit, strategic alignment, and versus signing any documents. Some groups who have very little experience, they want you to sign an NDA before you even know what you're signing it about. Is this a mobile app company in Nigeria or a self-storage deal in Houston? And you really don't know anything, and they're wanting you to sign an NDA. The offering, number 7, is the offering has a formal 12 to 19 page pitch deck and a 1-pager teaser on the opportunity. Number 8, ideally the brand is polished, institutional, professional, and does not look like 1990s clip art or lack of a logo or brand messaging or standardization that would come with taking any care in the positioning of the company. In other words, an investor shouldn't take your company more seriously than you take it yourself. If you haven't invested any time in developing your business, then why should someone take a lot of time in getting to know it? Number 9, the team has a professional, standardized headshots of each professional with full-time focused team members, and the team has a depth of experience and a track record in the space. Number 10 is they may be direct and candid, but also successful enough to be polite, kind, and pleasant to work with. They know not to get too emotional or upset over single negotiation points or comments during due diligence or deal negotiation. So those are the top 10 things to look for to see if somebody is institutional quality in my experience. I would note that some investors look for these and put more weight on them than others. The more 50 million plus net worth families I work with, though, the more I see that these are the attributes of the people who get 10 times more done than everyone else in our industry. So many times, all of these areas are assessed instantly within 30 seconds or a minute, and somebody decides what category to put you in or whether they're likely to do business with you or not. If you have any questions on this or would like to find out more about our investor club, just go to familyoffices.com and you can check out our 15 live events. If you're raising capital for something, check out charter membership in the Family Office Club. And if you are a private investor looking to get access to more deals or need help setting up your family office, or we could help you in some other way this year or upcoming with your extended family and your investment portfolio, then you can reach out to us by going to investorclub.com. Take care.